Next is conformity. Conformity is adjusting one's behavior to coincide with the thinking of the group. Now how? This was one of the study which was done by Asch. Asch did the conformity study, and this was that you try to adjust yourself to the location you are. So let's say if I am in a place where all the surrounding people are studying, I would start studying. If I am in a place where all of them are probably drug addicts, there could be a high chance of a person consuming a drug in that situation. So that is where you are trying to conform. Now here we have a very good example. I have one of the sticks and 3 other examples for you. Now what I do is I take another sticks and 3 other examples. Now what would be the resultant? I have a standard line and then I have the comparison lines. So how do you understand this? So this whole experiment was done by Solomon Asch, and Solomon Asch said that during 1950s when this experiment was conducted, it revealed the degree to which a person's opinion would be influenced by the group behavior. So my opinion would be influenced by the group I am located in. If I am in a group where everyone wants to ride a bicycle, I would say yes, riding bicycle is good. If I am in a group where it is a status symbol, everyone getting an expensive vehicle, probably that would be one of the mindsets that would be seen. So Asch found that people are more willing to ignore the reality and give incorrect answer in order to conform to the group. So if let's say this is a standard line, I ask you a question, which line is closest to this? Everyone says, 5 of the students would say line 1 is approximately the same line as the standard line. So you would also think that, however, you are feeling that line 2 is similar to line 1 to the standard line, but you won't say that. You would say, okay, let me also go with line 1. Why? Because you are conforming to the group you are in. Nearly 75% of the participants conform with the rest of the group, and that was the result of the Asch study. That Asch said 1/3 of the participants confirmed, 70% confirmed at least once. So they would say, yes, this line is the biggest. I would ask again, no, this does not appear to be biggest. At that point, they might change their views. So what strengthens the conformity? Why a person becomes more conform about something? If I have a person whom I admire who is part of the group, I do not have any prior commitments, the group is at least of 3 people and is unanimous. So those are some of the reasons where my ideas would be confirmed more. So there is a question. The study of conformity by Asch found what? It found that most of the participants confirmed at least part of the time. So 70% confirmed at least once. And therefore, Asch said that majority of the participants who are in the group would conform to what is explained in the group and won't go outward. They would follow the path what the group is trying to do. So to strengthen the conformity, one is made to feel incompetent. There should be at least 3 people. The group should be unanimous. One must admire the status of the group with no prior commitments, and the person is constantly observed. So there are reasons for conforming. One is informational, the other is normative. Normative is influence resulting from the person's desire to gain approval about something, and influence results from the willingness to accept others' opinion as true. So when I believe that, okay, everyone is saying that and therefore I believe it is true, this is considered as informational social influence. However, the normative social influence is where I am trying to gain a social approval because everyone is doing that and they are able to win this position or get this thing done. I would also do the same and I would also get my work done. Okay, so that is what is considered as normative. Usually happens at a college level where you feel that if you are a PhD student, all your senior PhD students did so and so and were given the PhD. So you obtain or you follow a normative path. Okay, I'll do the same way as my seniors did, and probably my supervisor would also hand over the PhD degree to me. So that is where there is a normative process. It's not informational, it is normative. And informational is where you consider that others' opinion is correct and you also are ready to absorb that. Okay.